What's up, y'all? I just had to come in here and share my ribs that I cooked in the oven. I did this recipe somewhat of a subscriber of mine. Her name is Sweet Savant. She's a chef, and that's her channel name, Sweet Savant. I shouted her out in one of my videos, but I'm going to share her channel again in this video so you guys can see. Go to her channel and make friends and look at her cooking videos and whatnot. But Sweet Savant, I did the recipe of your sweet and savory ribs, but I just did it a little different. I did cook them in the oven in the foil, as you can see it's on the foil, but instead of your sweet and savory sauce, I just put some barbecue sauce and I put them up under the broiler, and they look delicious. I don't know how well they're looking on the video, but they are so pretty, and I thank you for that recipe, and I surely will be keeping you in mind for some more recipes. Sorry you guys for that shadow, but y'all go check out Sweet Savant. She's a great chef. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching.